This tutorial demonstrates how to create a new connection to Attio CRM within Stacksync. Within the Stacksync dashboard, we navigate to Create Resource. Next, we move to Connections and search for Attio CRM. Stacksync will automatically open a new page dedicated to our Attio CRM connection. We grant the necessary access, then name the connection we create. That's all it takes. With Stacksync, you gain access to over 200 pre-built connectors, enabling you to create a sync that delivers true bidirectional real-time data consistency across all your critical business applications, databases, and enterprise data warehouses. By leveraging Stacksync's no-code, enterprise-grade platform, you reclaim valuable engineering hours from integration plumbing, accelerate time to value for new integrations, and significantly lower your total cost of ownership, while ensuring robust security and compliance. Get started at Stacksync.com, the #1 AI-ready enterprise integration cloud.